Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at strong hand bidding, and a great tool for getting to slam is key card Blackwood or Roman key card Blackwood. This is simply an advanced form of Blackwood. So you might as well learn it from the beginning because it's not much harder than learning off the responses to Four No Trumps Blackwood. But it gives you more information and it helps you to get to slam more scientifically. Once you use keycard, you don't use Blackwood anymore. And once a trump suit is agreed, keycard allows you to look at the four aces and the king of that trump suit when you're making your answer as to how many keycards you have. So we're dealing with 5 key cards, the 4 aces and the king of the trump suit. People say, which one will I play? Will I play 1430 or will I play 3041? All that means is that the answer to 4 no trumps, if you're playing 1430, which is 1 or 4, is 5 clubs. And if you choose to play the other, it means 5 clubs is 0 or 3, and 5 diamonds is 1 or 4. You simply reverse the meaning of the number of aces you have at the 5 club and 5 diamond response level. It doesn't make very much difference, but there is an advantage to knowing at the 5 club level, answering 1430, that you do have one ace or 1 key card, or 4, of course. 5 hearts and 5 spades are the same in both methods. They show 2 key cards without the queen of the trump suit. 5 spades shows 2 key cards with the queen of the trump suit. And you can do all sorts of things if you find you've got all the first round controls and key cards, the 4 aces and the king of trumps. You can also ask about other kings. That's exciting. And you can do that in 2 ways. You either bid 5 no trumps and ask for kings, or you bid the next step up if your answer was clubs or diamonds to Blackwood. That's a bit more advanced, but it's really great because you can scientifically know, based on the fact that you wouldn't go further if you didn't have all the first round controls, you then can think about bidding 7 occasionally. So it's worth learning keycard Blackwood, and always use it when you have a need with a trump suit agreed to find out how many controls you've got. Go through the hand I've given you and have a great week, everyone. This hand, the dealer, has 11 high card points, not enough to open, so pass. Over partners 1 heart, we want to show that we've got good support, 4 cards and a medium hand. So we would bid 3 hearts, a limit raise. And now partner is Blackwooding. We're using keycard Blackwood and our responses are 1430. So we've got 1 ace, so that's 1 key card. So we would say 5 clubs. And partner goes to 6 hearts. They must know that we're missing 1 key card and they've decided on slam. So on the king of diamonds lead, East will have the queen. So after we win the ace, there's a diamond loser. We've also got the ace of trumps to lose. So we should make all the rest of the tricks, but we're in danger if we were to go and win this ace and draw trumps, because we'd go down. They take their ace and then they'll cash their queen of diamonds. So sometimes you can't do the trump. You can't turn your attention to trumps immediately. It's not that we're not going to draw trumps, it's just that we've got to get rid of this silly old diamond loser. So spades is our best opportunity. Play that, play the queen. We don't have to overtake, but we might as well. with the king, because we want to do this as quickly as we can. Now we're fine to draw trumps because we got rid of that diamond loser. Now they're trying to cash their queen of diamonds. That doesn't work for them. We can keep playing trumps. They break 2-2. That's good news. We've got the rest of the tricks. So 12 tricks were made. Keycard Blackwood helped, but ordinary Blackwood would have also said we had one ace. Some people might be concerned that we didn't touch trumps. Well, we were just going down if we touched trumps, but people might say, well, you could be trumped if you were playing spades, ace of spades, queen of spades. Someone might have trumped the jack of spades. Well, the fact is, if that's going to happen, we're going down anyway, because on the king of diamonds lead, we're going down if we touch trumps. So often you've got to reduce a loser before you lose an inevitable trump trick.